Hey guys! Welcome back to Uttarashrini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. In today's video, we're gonna make a luscious mixed vegetable paratha. Let's get started. The ingredients are half a cup of whole wheat flour, half a cup of all-purpose flour or maida. You can choose the type of flour you want to use. 1 boiled carrot, 2 Brussels sprouts, 1 boiled potato, 6 green beans, 1 green chili, half an inch ginger, 1 clove garlic, a few curry leaves, 1 tablespoon mint leaves, 1/2 tablespoon cilantro or coriander leaves, salt to taste, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of amchur powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon carom seeds or ajwain. Let's begin by chopping the veggies. If you chop your veggies too big, don't worry, we'll be using a food processor to mince them. To the food processor, add chopped vegetables and spice blends except for carrots and potatoes, and run posts on high speed until all minced well. Add carrots and pulse on high speed. Add boiled potato and pulse for 45 seconds until everything mixes well. Take the minced vegetables from the food processor and set it aside. Let's make the dough for the paratha. We are using a food processor to knead the dough. You can hand knead the dough if you prefer. Add flour, salt, carom seeds, oil, and make a pliable dough using water. The dough should neither be hard or soft, nor dry or sticky. Apply little oil, cover and rest dough for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take small amount of dough and make into a ball. Similarly, divide the filling and make small balls. Dust dough in dry flour and roll using a rolling pin. Make a bowl space. Place filling inside the dough, cover and seal well. Dust in dry flour and roll using a rolling pin about 1/4 inch thickness. Don't roll the paratha too thick nor too thin, or else it won't get cooked. Heat pan on medium-low heat and cook paratha both sides until cooked well. Apply oil on both sides and cook. You can add ghee for more flavor. Paratha is cooked perfectly. We are going to repeat the same process to cook the rest of the parathas. Appetizing mixed vegetable paratha is ready for serving. We are serving paratha with lip-smacking dal makhani and eggplant yogurt raita. Want to know how to make this eggplant yogurt raita? Click our suggested video that pops up. We'll also be putting the link in the description box below. Want to know a trick to cook the perfect paratha? The softness of the paratha depends on the dough. Kneading the dough perfectly is the key. Resting the dough will relax the gluten and makes the dough easier to roll out and shape. Make sure to seal the edges of the dough well. Make sure to cook paratha on medium-low heat. Don't add too much oil or ghee till the parathas are half cooked. Try this recipe and post your feedback in the comments below. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. Hope you liked this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye!